All right. As part of one of the ways to actually make Premiere Pro software work smoothly for you, you need to frequently clear media cache. Let's say after 2 3 days or even a week, you can continue to clear your media cache to enable Premiere Pro software to be freed up so that you can process very fast and for smooth workflow as well. So, and if you've been using this software or you're a total beginner who don't even have any idea about how to get this particular task done, then this very one is actually for you. So the very first thing you need to do is to quickly launch your Premiere Pro software, just like you can see now, and then you head straight to edit. After you have launched it like this, you go straight to this edit, then you scroll down, you see preferences at the lower left, just like you can see now. You click on preferences, you now scroll down to this other side, you see a whole lot of things here, but that's not actually what we're looking at right now. So we'll just quickly go straight to the point of this discussion, which is how to clear media cache. Then you now see media cache here, click on it and watch. Now allow it to load. Is because there's actually a whole lot of cache that I needed to clear, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go. So you now see, now I actually set it to delete media cache files older than 7 days automatically, so that to enable this software to keep uh, speeding up for me whenever I am using it to actually get my basic editing done. So what do I need to do now? I'll just need to quickly go straight. For the people of this one, I'll just select automatically delete file, media cache, automatically delete cache files older than 7 days. I'll select that. But if you want, you can also select 29 days depending on which one you want. But as for me, I'll select these 7 days. I think that is okay. Then you now come straight down like this, and then you click OK. Then if actually you still want to manually remove media cache, all you need to do is to just come to this delete here, where you can see save CFA and pick media cache files next to original media files when possible. If I don't want that, I can just uncheck it like this, and then I'll just click on remove media cache files. But then in some cases, so but as in this scenario, I will just check it just for the purpose of illustration, and then I'll now come to this delete, and then I'll just click remove media cache files, and then you see delete unused media cache files. I'll check it like this and then click OK. Now watch it. It's still loading. All right, so can you see now? So this is just how simple it is to actually manually clear media cache. And if you want it to actually happen automatically, you can easily just select this, either 7 days or 29 days, depending on how frequent you want your media cache to be automatically cleared. So if you check this, you don't need to always come here to come and manually clear your media cache. All you just need to do is just whenever you launch your Premiere Pro software, within that range, you see that the media cache will keep clearing, and it paves way for smooth workflow and perfect processing as far as this is concerned. So you just need to click OK here, and then that's all. So that's just how simple it is. Stay connected for more awesome content like this, and don't forget to give it a like button and subscribe.